We got the first sunny day out here today. It was raining all week. Today we got the sun, and guess what? We're taking it to the beach. We're gonna go to the beach with it today. So I'm waiting for my ride, and then we out. We're gonna enjoy the sun today. I could already feel the heat.
Vamos a ver el museo aquí ahora, Museo de Esmeralda. Más económico aquí. Aquí es más económico.
Yeah. Woo. I can feel the sun.
Hola.
It burns.
What's up, bro?
Aquí.
Okay.
It's going down.
Oh, yeah. They look nice on you.
Yeah. Hey, huh?
Oye,
Allá más
lo
caro.
dejaron.
Allá te lo lleva Víctor, es más caro.
Cartier. Check it out. Look in the street, bro. And they look different. Check it. Look at street, bro. Look at street. You order
Más
one.
barato, más barato, acá.
You eat. You be drunk. You do.
I got like 10 of them. I don't know if I need more.
Yeah, one more for collection of 12, bro.
How much did you do this one for?
This one?
Yeah.
This is 80,000. Look, 80,000. This is better plastic, bro. Gum, no plastic. Check it out. It's nice. I'm sorry.
And how much you selling those?
Huh?
The Cartiers?
Same?
How much are you selling those?
I give you the other one like this.
How much are they?
This is 150.